This is the PowerPoint for the class 3306, Integration of Genetics and Genomics into Nursing Practice, and today we're going to talk about Van Willebrand disease. What is VWD? Van Willebrand disease is the most common hereditary bleeding disorder. Roughly 1 in every 100 people suffers from a disease, and it occurs equally in men and women. The disease is caused by missing or defective Van Willebrand factor. Van Willebrand factor is a clotting protein that binds the platelets in our blood and helps to form a platelet plaque during the clotting process. When a person has VWD, the clot might take longer to form or not to form the way it should, so the bleeding might take longer to stop. This can lead to heavy bleeding, and the bleeding can be severe enough to damage joints and internal organs. Here is a picture of the patient with a VWD they may have bleeding of the gums, they can be easily bruised, they may have gastrointestinal bleeding, menorrhagia, epistaxis, skin rash. The next slide is a 3-generation family pedigree. We see female on the left, we see male on the right. A white color inside the human body denotes healthy individuals. The dark gray color denotes affected individual with a mild VWD, and the black color denotes the affected individuals with a severe VWD. And this usually occurs when the child inherits the gene from both parents, and both parents may have mild form of VWD. There are possible genetic testings for VWD. The first one is phenotypic analysis, and sometimes it doesn't sufficiently explain the disease. The second one is genetic analysis that helps diagnosis of the disease type. In this type of testing, polymerase chain reaction are used to identify mutations in the VWF gene. NGS, next generation sequencing, is the new technique that has the capacity to analyze several genes simultaneously to distinguish exon deletions and duplications, which makes it possible to identify causative VW defects in more patients than previously. Diagnostic tests for VWD include factor VIII clotting activity, Van Willebrand factor antigen, ristocytine cofactor, Van Willebrand factor multimers, and platelet aggregation test. And that would be blood test that the doctor would order. Lastly, are references that have been retrieved for this class PowerPoint presentation, and thank you for your time.